Jagadev students. Students, today we are doing the revision of the first unit of macroeconomics, that is the national income. So national income, what is national income? National income is the sum total of the factor income earned by the normal residents of the country. And while calculating national income, we are taking only the factor income, not the transfer income. Factor income, you know that it is the earned income. That means whatever sources, if we are earning money, that is we are doing work, and in place of that work we are getting money, is known as factor income. Transfer income, you know, that is unearned income. Transfer income ko we are not taking in the calculation of national income, because it is unearned income, like gifts to charity, donation, and whatever the charity we are getting from abroad, and also we are giving to abroad. So any kind of transfer income we are not included in the national income. National income we have calculated in three different ways. That is, there are three methods to calculate the national income. That is, the different methods are production method, income method, and value added method. So we are calculating national income either by production method, either by income method, or either by expenditure method. Why? Because these are the phases of our economy. That is our economy. We are doing the production. And why we are doing the production? Because we need for consumption we need goods, and we are doing the production with the help of factors of production. So when the factor of production gives their services, so in return we are giving income to the factors of production, that is income. So first of all, we have derived production method from the that from the economy, that is from the circular flow. And then income method, that is whoever done the work for the production, we are giving factor income to them. Then income method, and whatever the income we are getting as a source of factor income, that we are use as a for disposing, for doing our expenditure for our necessary consumption goods. So this is expenditure method. And whatever the expenditure we are doing, then again it goes to the producer, and producer again produce goods, and then gives factor income to the persons who are helping in doing the production. And in this way the circular flow will be continuing. So there are three methods to calculate the national income. Either we are calculating the national income by production method, or either by income method, and either by expenditure method. So what are the formula of calculating national income from these different methods? So this is the chart of calculating national income by value-added method, income method, and expenditure method. In value-added method, the following formula we have to use. That value-added method को हम production method भी कहते हैं. It is also known as production method, or value-added method, or output method. Value-added method का formula है, first of all we have taken gross value added in the primary sector, then gross value added in the secondary sector, and gross value added in the tertiary. That means प्राइमरी सेकेंडरी टर्शियरी तीनों सेक्टर में जितना भी गुड्स प्रोड्यूस हुआ है, दैट वी आर टेकिंग. तो दिस इज द ग्रॉस वैल्यू एडेड ऑफ प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी, एंड टर्शियरी. इसको हम कहते हैं जीडीपी एमपी. दैट इज नोन एज जीडीपी एमपी. दैट इज ऑल्सो कैलकुलेटेड बाय सेल्स माइनस परचेज. अगर हम सेल्स में से परचेज माइनस करेंगे, देन ऑल्सो वी आर गेटिंग जीडीपी एमपी एंड प्लस चेंज इन स्टॉक. सो वी हैव गॉट जीडीपी एमपी. जीडीपी एमपी में हम डेप्रिसिएशन माइनस करेंगे, तो ये हो जाएगा हमारा NDPMP. means gross value will be converted to net value. Gross domestic product at market price अब हो जाएगा net domestic product at market price. And then अगर हम इसमें से net indirect tax माइनस कर देंगे, तो ये NDPMP now will become NDPFC, means net domestic product at factory cost. And then if we include NFIA, that is, it is factor income from abroad, and whatever the income we are giving to abroad, that should be excluded. सो NDPFC मीन्स इट इज़ नोन एज डोमेस्टिक इनकम. इसको हम डोमेस्टिक इनकम कहेंगे. एंड डोमेस्टिक इनकम को हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे नेशनल इनकम में बाय एडिंग NFIA, नेट फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड. दिस इज NNPFC. इसको नेशनल इनकम कहेंगे. तो दिस इज बाय वैल्यू एडेड मेथड. Then second is income method. Income method, in this method we are taking only the factor income. We are taking incomes, or not. We are not taking any kind of expenditure, any kind of production, production of goods. So we are taking income only. तो इसमें हम लेंगे पहला compensation of employees, जिसको हम short में COE भी कहते हैं. It is also known as COE. Compensation of employees means it includes salaries and wages in cash, salaries and wages in kinds, and employees' contribution to social security scheme. Then operating surplus. It is operating surplus means that is rent, royalty, interest, and profit. Rent, royalty plus interest plus profit, ये सब मिला के कहलाएगा आपका ऑपरेटिंग सरप्लस. इफ यू हैव टू टेक ऑपरेटिंग सरप्लस, देन इनको अलग से लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. नेक्स्ट है मिक्स्ड इनकम. दिस इज द मिक्स्ड इनकम ऑफ सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड. तो आप इन तीनों को ऐड करेंगे तो इट विल बिकम एनडीपीएफसी. एनडीपीएफसी मीन्स इट इज डोमेस्टिक इनकम. And then domestic income, when we include NFIA, net factor income from abroad, then it will become NPFC, net national product at factor cost, that is national income by income method. So in this में हमने लिया production method को, इसमें हमने लिया income method, that is only incomes. And in expenditure method we are taking only expenditures. Expenditure method में हम सिर्फ expenditures को लेंगे, just like private final consumption expenditure means these are the components of expenditure method. जैसे कि कंज्यूमर हुआ, प्रोड्यूसर हुआ, गवर्नमेंट हुआ और फॉरेन सेक्टर, ये चारों सेक्टर के एक्सपेंडिचर्स को हम ले लेंगे. तो पहला हुआ हमारा प्राइवेट फाइनल कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर मीन्स इट इज द एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ कंज्यूमर सेक्टर. दिस इज सी. ये एक्सपेंडिचर है जितने भी कंज्यूमर है उन सबका एक्सपेंडिचर. देन गवर्नमेंट फाइनल कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर, दिस इज नोन एज जी, मीन्स इट इज द एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर. थर्ड है ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन, दिस इज आई, मीन्स इन्वेस्टमेंट. दिस इज एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, प्रोड्यूसर, प्रोडक्शन. And then net export means it is the expenditure of rest of the world या फॉरेन सेक्टर भी कह सकते हैं. दैट इज एक्सपोर्ट माइनस इम्पोर्ट. इसका फॉर्मूला एक्सपोर्ट माइनस इम्पोर्ट. देन इसमें हमने चारों सेक्टर के एक्सपेंडिचर्स को ले लिया, कंज्यूमर, गवर्नमेंट, प्रोड्यूसर एंड फॉरेन सेक्टर. देन इट विल बी नोन एज GDP-MP. इसको हम कहेंगे GDP-MP, ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट एट मार्केट प्राइस. अगर इसमें से डेप्रिसिएशन को माइनस करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा हमारा NDP-MP, नेट डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट एट मार्केट प्राइस. देन इफ वी एक्सक्लूड नेट इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स, NIT माइनस करेंगे तो जाएगा NDPFC. एंड दिस इज डोमेस्टिक इनकम अगेन. और अगर NFI ऐड कर देंगे तो देन इट इज ऑल्सो NNPFC, दैट इज नेट नेशनल प्रोडक्ट एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट. सो स्टूडेंट, दीज आर द थ्री मेथड्स टू कैलकुलेट नेशनल इनकम, दैट इज वैल्यू एडेड मेथड, income method and expenditure method. So first of all you just learn all the three formulas and then practice solving questions, that is calculating national income by production method, income method and expenditure method.